Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you all are doing well. This is the fifth part of the video of main title. Video name is lipids, their classification and types. Now let's start it. Functions of tricycle glycerols. Tricycle glycerols provides stored energy. It also provides insulation, partial hydrogenation of cooking oils, produces trans fatty acids. Phospholip- Phospholipids. A phospholipid is an amphipathic molecule constructed from four components like fatty acids, phosphate, alcohol, and glycerol or sphingosine. Also called as a phosphatides, contains a phosphorus atom. The phospholipids are very important structural components of all cell membranes, including those of the cell organelles. Lecithin may also play an important role in the transport of an ion across the membranes. Phospholipids are of different kinds, but all of them contain a glycerol residue to which are attached in ester linkage two long chain fatty acid and a phosphoryl related component. Sometimes phospholipid grouped under a polar lipid because they are readily soluble in polar solvents such as ethanol. Phospholipids can be broken down to their residue by the enzyme phosphatidase, which hydrolyze their fatty acid and phosphoric acid ester bonds especially. Depending upon the type of related components of the phospholipids classified as a phosphatidyl choline lectin. Uh, this one is cephaline. And now let's start it about next slide is phosphatidylate glycerin, diphosphatidylate glycerin. Glycolipids. Always glycolipids are molecules that contains both carbohydrate and lipid components like the phospholipids. Sphingomyelin glycolipids are derivatives of ceramides in which a long chain fatty acid is attached to the amino alcohol sphingosine. They are therefore more precisely called glycosphingolipids like the phospholipids. Glycosphingolipids are essential components of all membranes in the body, but they are found in the greatest amount in nerve tissues. They are located in the outer leaflet of the plasma membrane where they interact with the extracellular environment. As such, they play a role in the regulation of cellular interactions, for example, adhesion and reorganization, growth, and development. This is a membrane structure. Types of glycolipids is cerebrosides, and functions are glycolipids that are found primarily in the brain and peripheral other areas of the nervous tissues. Functions are provide protective coating to each nerve and act as an insulator. Gangliosides. These glycolipids are neutral. The gangliosides are acids in pH, and they are the move complex of the glycolipids. Types of sulfoglycosphingolipids. These cerebrosides are also called sulfatides. They are simply cerebrosides with a sulfate residue. This one function of glycolipids, membrane of carbohydrates, sterols. Sterols is also known as a alcohol. Structure, it is a subgroup of steroids with a hydrolytic group at the position. Sterol functions as a precursor for the stable HDL, LDL reference. This is the fifth part of the video. I hope you like this video. Khuda Hafiz.